Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. So last time we reviewed the closed beta Nothing OS 2.5.1 liquid Android 14 version for all of you. After that I reverted back to Nothing OS 2.0.5 stable version. But 2 days before Nothing has officially rolled out Nothing OS Open Beta 1 for all users. When I checked the software version section, still I didn't got any Open Beta OTA. Maybe Nothing has gradually rolling out it for all users. At official site, you will get the notification of new Open Beta update for Nothing OS Beta 1, which has 70% similar changelog like old closer beta we reviewed, except that some new changes has been done by Nothing. So today in this video, first we will check out how you can install this Open Beta manually. Later we will check out all the new changes along with any additional changes done by the Nothing as compared to old closer beta 1. We will do both the performance and thermal throttling test for new update. And at the last we will see the bugs and the issues present in the build along with the old bugs we discussed for the closer beta 1. Are they fixed or not? So without further delay, let's get started
on a new adventure.
Before manual installation of this open beta, your device must be on Nothing OS 2.0.5 or 2.0.4. This process will not wipe any data on your device. It will work on both the unlocked or locked bootloader versions. Now download full OTA package of Open Beta 1. Create the OTA named folder inside the storage of the device. Then transfer this full OTA inside that folder. Now go to the dialer. There type ***682****. You will see new manual update screen. There your OTA package automatically gets loaded in the updater. Now tap option directly apply OTA from the select. Whole flashing process will take 15 to 20 minutes. You will see the progress bar of flashing. Once done, you get the successful notification. Now tap reboot. So phone booted to the new open beta Nothing OS 2.5.1 Android 14 build. Now let's check out the about device section and we will compare it with the old closed beta build. About phone section showing this is the Nothing OS 2.5.1 Open Beta 1 version, while closer beta was mentioned as the same version like this one. Build number is space U 2.5 builded on the 15 December 2023, while closer beta was builded on the 6 December 2023. Android version is same, it's Android 14 with the Google's new upside down cake Easter egg with the space war type hidden game. Security patch is of 6 December 2023. Kernel version is 5.4.242 similar like closer beta 1. Now we will check out all the new changes added by the Nothing team, including the old changes we've seen in the previous closer beta video. We got all the new UI element changes like more rounded shaped tiles everywhere in the OS, including the QS panel, settings, etc. We got this new wallpaper and style section with the unified customization screen for both the lock screen and the home screen. We get the new atmospheric wallpaper animation option when you set any wallpaper. This will give the unique animation of wallpapers after unlocking the phone. Nothing has given some solid wallpaper colors option under the wallpapers and style section. This gives something unique look to home screen display. All of these customizations are also available in the old closer beta build, but this Android 14 features of monochrome theme was not present in the old build. Who gets the digital well-being tile under the QS panel setting. After setting up the digital well-being, whenever we enable this tile, it gives the monochrome theme to the phone. As per Nothing, they have added this theme under the wallpaper and styles section for the colors option, but it's buggy. That we will check under the bug section of the video. Double press power button has lots of new options like camera, flashlight, glyph torch, video camera, DND mode and etc. For lock screen customization, now get some more shortcuts like DND mode, torch, mute, a QR code scanner. We have to add the shortcuts and long press on the buttons to access the tile on the lock screen. Under the gesture setting, now guess the 3-finger gesture to take the screenshot. Except this, we can quickly edit this screenshot with the lots of options. We can quickly share or delete this screenshot after taking 3-finger gesture screenshot. All these features are also available in the old closer beta versions too. Nothing has added some extra features widgets. For that we need to first update Nothing Beta Launcher via Play Store. Under the widget section we get the 3 different widgets. First one is the screen time usage. Actually it's a digital well-being part. It shows us how many time we used the screen in the whole the day. We can add the music widgets for all music applications which are installed in the phone now by using the new music widget tile. Except these two widgets, last third one, pedometer step counter widget tile, is not found in the widget section. These 3 widgets are not available in the old closer beta update. Except this, nothing has added new NFC connection glyph light animation. This one pops up when you connect the 2 NFC enabled devices back to back with the Nothing phone one. This one is not present in the old closer beta build. Except that Nothing has done some improvement in the flip to glyph animation. Now it's quicker and faster as compared to the previous versions. Nothing has optimized the experience of their weather application. Now it's showing the notification quicker and accurately than the previous versions. For Android 14 new back gesture, Nothing has given their own touch of Nothing dotted font type look. This one looks cool along with the predictive back gesture. But to use this, you need to enable the predictive back gesture toggle under developer setting. This will give the back page preview when you slide the back gesture and hold it for some time. Next, Nothing has added the separate slider to control the notification and ringtone sound control under the new volume panel control setting. We can directly jump under the main setting of sound control using this shortcut available in the volume panel. As per Nothing, in this update, they upgraded Nothing camera to 12.0.01 and they claimed that the images and the video quality are more improved in this build. We will discuss the camera quality in the another video with the camera comparison of OnePlus Nord 2 was Nothing Phone 1 in the upcoming video, so stay tuned to our channel. Now we will do the thermal throttling test using the CPU throttle application for this build. Before starting the test, I enabled CPU temperature overlay using CPU monitor application. Then I ran the CPU throttle test on the 20 threads for 5 minutes. Until 4 minutes, while test ran very good without any red or yellow lines. Temperature of CPU rises up to 45 degrees Celsius, but after 4 minutes, all the yellow and red lines of CPU throttling were started to begin. And when I stopped the test, I got the score of 74% CPU throttling. This was happened similarly like for OnePlus Nord 2 test in the yesterday's video. I think it's the issue of the new application because timing and the CPU throttle values are nearly same for both the devices during the test. Still, device performance was very good. You will not find any kind of lag for any activity. Now let's check out the performance of the new update. As usual, device felt very smooth for all the activities, similar like old closed beta and all Android 13 based Nothing OS. I didn't find anything interesting about this section of the test. Geekbench test given me the 950 and 3019 for the single and multi-core. For old closer beta, we got the scores of 1024 and 3027. Here single core performance slightly better for the old build as compared to new build. For OpenGL and Hook and Graphics API, this build has given scores of 2315 and 2785. GPU graphics scores are nearly same for the old and the new build. So we can conclude that both the open beta and closed beta has same level of performance. Now let's talk about the bugs. As my device bootloader is unlocked, I am getting CTS profile failed issue in the SafetyNet application. Actually this bug was present in the old closer beta, but is it solved in this build or not, I can't confirm because of my unlocked bootloader of my device. So please mention in the comment section is it got solved for you or not. In the same way, I am getting the device Play Protect not certified, so I can't able to install some applications like Netflix. But you can solve these bugs using the root method. Its link is given under the video description. We didn't get the new AI emojis and AI wallpapers features of Android 14 in this open beta, which was also not present in the old closed beta 2. Similarly, new font size control QS panel tile is missing in the QS panel. Except that other features of Android 14 like magnification gestures, camera flash and display flash features with the 6-digit lock screen password features are available in this build. Nothing claimed that they added their own monochrome theme using the colors profile under the wallpapers and style application, but it's not giving any kind of monochrome theme in the user interface. You have to use digital well-being monochrome theme tile available under the QS panel. Similarly, new pedometer widget I didn't found under the widget section. Except these minor issues, I think this one is nearly stable build, which can be considered as a daily driver. I will report the battery results and the gaming performance of this update soon with the new video, so stay tuned to our channel. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked my work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel for the amazing content for Nothing Phone 1. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.